Hello everyone from Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer, aka Mrs. Poorman.
And I'm Richard, aka Mr. Poorman. Today's video we're going to do a garage makeover. Today's video we're going to be working on the garage. We actually have numerous things that we're doing in the garage, but this is going to be part one, I guess in a series of different videos of the projects that we're working on. So let's take a look at what we did.
Before we can begin with the renovation, we need to remove these old sagging beat-up cabinets.
Kung Fu kick. Kung Fu punch.
We can finally take everything off the wall so we can arrange them the way we want to.
The ceiling paint had bubbled from some water damage in the past, so we needed to repair it before we can do any kind of painting. There were small areas that had no paint at all, so we needed to add some primer first to ensure the paint would appear consistent when applied.
And then the painting begins again. We did not want a boring solid color for our garage, so we came up with the idea of adding some abstract stripes.
To do this, we used frog tape to mask out areas that we planned to paint. We have tried 3 different tapes in the past, but found that frog tape works the best by far and prevents any paint from bleeding under the tape. We made the stripes in various arbitrary widths and angles.
Once the tape was up, the painting of the stripes went very quick but required 2 coats of paint. Mr. Poorman got carried away with the paint and did the door trim as well.
After about 20 minutes, we removed the frog tape to reveal the stripes. To paint the door handles, I simply dipped them in paint.
Once the painting was finished, we replaced a few faceplates and covers.
So there you have it. We've finished the first part. We've painted the walls and we've added a little bit of our own touch to it with some unique abstract stripes using the paint from our Murphy beds, if you happen to notice that. No sense wasting paint. So anyhow, next part we're going to do is start organizing the tools on the walls. So we purchased some a metallic pegboard. We're going to install that along with some special hooks that we will hang up our ladders and other products on the walls. So let's get started on that.
Instead of focusing on mounting the pegboard on studs, we wanted to center the pegboards on the wall. We did hit the studs some of the time, but used wall anchors for the rest.
So I picked up a box of trays from Amazon and we're going to see how well we can put these up. I have a feeling I'm going to put everything up and then once it's up I'll redesign everything so it fits differently or something, because that's just what I do.
Surprise! Photobomb!
We managed to hang just about everything we had in order to make full use of the limited space in the garage.
So there you have it. Another project finished. We really like how this came out. It's a little abstract, a little bizarre maybe to some. I'm not sure anybody else would do it, but it's us. We're really happy with how it came out. We've got several more projects that we're working on in the garage. So we're looking forward to putting some videos out there for that real soon too. So until next week, we'll show you part 2 of the garage makeover. So until then, voila. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.